You have social troubles. Social troubles. That means you are not integrated to your social living. You are not integrating to your neighborhood. It's not easy. You're going to have to know how this civil relationship is. And it's a very deep subject, it's a very vast topic. But every trouble is only a bubble. A trouble is a bubble because you need little education. See, society is not like two people. It's like you're talking to 1,000 people. That's social relation, social integration. And that is bound by too many rules and regulations. So you need to look into diplomacy in communication, diplomatic communication. You need to know electoral politics, where you can understand public opinion, how the other people, the public assess you, analyze you, how they are rating you, grading you, ranking you. And then you need to know judiciary, the legality, the jurisdictions. You need to have some insight into all these words. You need to know academics, because unless you are academically very qualified, you may not get the prestige, the dignity and the stature that you deserve, because the public just may not want to invest their trust in somebody who is not qualified academically. And about career, they must see that you are an expert. They must see that you are a specialist in some career, some industry relevance, skill relevance. And then the fifth thing is that, are you rich? Do you know financial methods? Do you know how to express yourself? Is your expression consistent with your characters? Is your expression in an orderly manner that others can depend upon your expressions? That are you reliable and credible in your expressions? So this is the part 5 of your social integration. And then you must know about reporting. People need to know about it. Reporting, documenting. Everybody wants to see documents, proof, evidences, your track record. And fitness, sport. So diplomacy, politics, judiciary, academics, career, finance. So you need to, this is all the mind craft. This is the mind craft number 8. You've seen number 7, number 6 of the mind craft. There is no other way. You need to have insight into all these dimensions. And Minecraft 8 is all about social integration, civil realities. See, you can go very deep into commissionerate. What is a commissionerate? What is a collector? The ward, the block, how the society is organized, governance. You need to know administration. You need to know governance. You need to know what is municipality, what is corporation, what is district. But that's another lesson. So let's stick to career, finance, accounting procedures, bookkeeping, evidences, proof, enforcement directorate, the income tax authorities, the policing. Now all this aside, you need to understand what is military. In society there is a militant action. Then there are fundamentalists, purists. Then in social integration, you have to understand there are undercover people, people spying on you. And there are underworld people, people who don't want to be discovered, people who are very wily, cunning, wicked, cruel, brutal, cheaters, backstabbers, betrayers, liars, dishonest people. So these are categories. Underworld, they call it underworld. They say underworld dawn. And then there's a police officer. And now they are at loggerheads. And there is civil society, non-governmental organizations. So you need to know how to navigate through all this. Whether it is information technology, the technocrats, the meritocrats, the technocrats. What is that technology that you want to study? So all these are part of your civil and social living. You need to learn a little about it. The Minecraft number 8 gives you the introduction to all these words: governance, administrator, police, judiciary, career, finance, the enforcement directorate, the underworld, the military. So you need to know, have an insight into all this. So look through the Minecraft 6 and 7 and 5, and the Minecraft 9 will come with more details about the working of the mind. So implement, activate, operationalize your social integration. Enjoy the social integration. So in this social integration, you cannot be without any one of this. It's up to you. You have an accountability to educate yourself, because the society has organized itself, categorized itself, classified itself, labeled itself, segregated itself, sorted in these formats. So you have a panchayat. People get together, it begins with a panchayat, and that too is marked as rural panchayat or urban panchayat or district panchayat. So block panchayat. So there are multiple ways for social integration. People have learned to come together and they have found solutions. Then they go to arbitrators when there is a conflict, when there is a dispute, when there is a confrontation, because ultimately they constitute the components. You need to understand the components of the society for you to be able to be part of the social integration. And it's essential, because you're going to have to, people are going to have to come to you. They're going to ask you questions. So, are you visible in bureaucracy? In India, it's called Indian Administrative Services or Indian Foreign Services, Indian Police Services, Indian Financial Services. So, as such, bureaucracy is also a very important part of the social integration. And media, how people are recognized in the media, in the public reporting space, through channels of television, through newspapers, through social media. So what is your relevance in the media? Do you have interface with media at all? So all this constitute your social integration. So learn in detail, continue to see the Minecraft when any one of this is a detail in the future. So coming soon is the Minecraft number 9.